Hey, what's up, YouTube? I decided to buy a dirt bike for my kids. This is a Chinese dirt bike, a Tao Tao DB20. I was looking around for quite a, like maybe a couple of months. I was looking for a used Japanese dirt bike, but it's hard to find good one in good shape, or at least in decent shape at a decent price. So I was looking around, and for those who are familiar with my channel, I owned two Chinese ATVs, and you guys know how much I'm satisfied with the performance of this ATV. So I decided to get another one for my kids, so I can get them to learn how to ride on two wheels. This is my son David. Say hi.
Hi.
So we finally got it today. I bought it a couple of weeks ago, and it got shipped to my house, and this is how it came. So I'm gonna take the box out and show you guys how it looks, and we're gonna put it together. Okay. All right. So we'll sit right in this thing. Yeah. Great job. Good job, Papa. All right. All right. So this is the Tao Tao DB20. This is it comes in a metal box. So this is exactly how I got my ATVs. So all we have to do now is just put it together. It's pretty simple, it just requires some common sense, and then I guess just all the bolts, and maybe some instructions and a manual. Yep, some instructions, manual. So this is the green, Kawasaki green, and they have it in, I think, orange, black, and white. I honestly wanted the orange color, but it was they didn't have it on stock. So I waited for a long time to order one of these. So finally, when this one became available, I decided to pull the trigger and order one right away. So let me put it together, and I'll show you guys how it looks after I'm done, and then we'll start it up so you guys can hear it, and go from there. All right, guys, this is the final product. This is how it looks, It actually looks really, really nice. I really like the Kawasaki green, and it has the painted rims as well with the front discs. The 110cc engine, the motor. The foot pegs that actually bend in case you drop it, it won't break. And it's electric start, fully automatic. That's the main reason why we bought this dirt bike. One of my kids, had to ride but feel comfortable at the same time. So the tires are not that great, but I mean, for what I paid, it's not bad at all. So it has disc brakes also on the back, has the muffler, and it looks really nice. I really like that green color. So we're gonna have to jump start it. The battery is dead right now, so I have to charge it, but I'm gonna have my son David start it up for the first time. There you go. All right, first start. Alright, sounds kind of nice. Alright. Okay guys, so expect to see more videos of this little dirt bike and our family riding. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and see you next time. Alright, bye.